video of that G-Wagon.
What do you say?
The G-Wagon. Move the process a little faster. Like help him put the door panels back, the front guard for the middle back, just a little bit faster so we can finish it. So we can video it today because we have no videos, or else we're just gonna video the ceiling.
Oh,
It's called a B-roll.
like you do.
You gotta give him a tip.
Yeah.
Your manager is Sarkis, right? He'll order you a thing tomorrow. Popeyes.
Really, I don't know who's my manager.
Oh yeah, you have like 3 people that tell you what to do? And I'm the 4th one.
Man.
How come it's taking you 45 minutes to put a molding on?
If you can take it out this clip without broken the glass, I give you $2,000. Not even this glass is $12,000.
Okay.
I can give you all my check for the 12 years.
No.
12 years.
If you can change any clip from this without do any damage,
Okay.
I can rush if you want.
Okay, just do it. Please. So the bottom line is, are you gonna help him finish the G-Wagon?
Yeah.
Okay. You're done?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, with his hands, I can scratch this glass.
Yeah. 40 years of body man experience.
Alejandro.
Alright, so we have a 2016 Rolls Royce down here. This customer has an appointment today. We're gonna do an oil change service filter, top off the fluids. This thing is beautiful. Very nice combination. Exterior body, beautiful blue inside, crazy orange, looks nice. I love it. Convertible, looks beautiful. Actually one of my favorites for the Rolls Royce family. It'll probably take us about an hour and a half to do. We're gonna start on it right now. It is a crazy busy Friday. Vic's not here. There's a lot of work to be done. So yeah, we gotta get everything done. Alright, so we have a Maybach S600 here. Flat tire. We're gonna go ahead and check this thing out. We've done brakes on this car previously. I don't know if you guys remember. We did front and rear brakes. So we're gonna go ahead and see what it needs right now. It's also here for a service. We're gonna go ahead and get a new tire, I think. It looks like it needs a new tire. And yeah, like I said, this is all happening on a Friday. Today is probably one of the most busiest days of the year, of the new year, is today. We're trying to finish 2 wraps today. We're trying to finish mechanical repairs today. We're trying to fix body shop cars today. And yeah, we only have 3 hours to go, so it's a mess today, but it's good to be busy. So yeah, let's get this thing off the truck. Oh my God. Yeah, what happened over there?
The Mercedes, we accept. Tire goes slow, fender liner comes out.
So Mercedes, what do you accept?
Yeah.
That BMW, Sarkis?
There's 1, 2, 3.
Damn!
If you guys knew about the car has 500 horsepower.
How much horsepower is yours?
635.
Sorry.
Okay guys, so we have a 2019 BMW CS. This is a special car. Let me show you a few things on this. This is not your basic BMW M4. Handles. This is the handles for the CS. I think this was one of the first CS came out on the M4. So you will see CS on the dash. The steering wheel is different. It's a suede. The handles. This car doesn't have a handle. It has this. The BMW has another handle here. This car doesn't have it. It's because of the weight. There was an M4 I saw CS, few of them. In the back, they did have a kind of like a special bar. So this one doesn't have it, I don't know why, but usually the CS, they have like a special bar in the back. This is like one of my favorite CS M4. Okay, so the M4, the taillight, this is like a special taillight. This is a different design, but we have to turn the lights on so you guys can see the difference. The exhaust tip on this one, I don't know if it's stock or not, but I think it is. And this car came for an accident. We got a damage in the quarter panel, bumper, and the wheel.
It's gonna be expensive to fix?
Yeah, it is. I think we're looking at close to 15, 20.
You have to replace this whole thing?
Yes, we have to change the quarter panel. We have to change the bumper. We have to change the wheel. This wheel are not repairable. You cannot fix this wheel. So I think there was like the guy told me there's like a minor maybe suspension problem maybe, or the alignment is off. I don't think so will be a suspension damage. Yeah, this has that M performance sticker, but you can get the sticker. The main change is the lights on the car and the inside. It should be, when this car came out, it used to be one of my favorite cars.
How much is this car worth?
Maybe like close to 50, 60.
Oh, I thought it was way more.
No. Like brand new one or just now? Brand new is not gonna pass more than, I can double check, like 75.
How much for this one, bro?
Mine? I don't know, to be honest, I never checked.
You always check the price.
No, not this one, because I don't want to sell this.
Oh.
Because this is gonna be the last V8. Because BMW is saying they're gonna start making like half and half engine, half electric. So this is gonna be the last V8. That's what they're trying to say.
Are you gonna get that?
That's why I'm trying to like keep this car, because it's gonna be like the last V8 so far. I don't know. I like this car. I like the BMW. I don't know why. It's my favorite. Brothers, can you give me a Twix as a friend?
I've been working all day.
While we're trying to work, you go get Twix.
Oh,
we lost
really?
his tire, find it.
He just got here. This guy just got here. He was the whole day wasn't here. He went to clean the ear. What happens when you're rich? You just go clean your ear because you're lazy to clean it.
Actually, today wasn't my ear cleaning day. Today was my meeting at Beverly Hills Mercedes. We're gonna get a bunch of clear bras. We're gonna get a bunch of wraps, a bunch of mechanic work. I was out there working, trying to bring more business in while you f it up.
Bro, we
You
just
should get your ear cleaned. That way you could hear better.
No,
what the f is wrong with
these
this
ears
guy?
are not. There you go.
So we have this really nice Supra that came in here. It was supposed to be a very simple build, but of course, you guys, like Vic said, you guys know Mo's TunerCult, the richest man in the world. You guys know his builds are not just regular builds. You know, like Vic said, he'll bring every single different part every single day. It was a Nardo Grey wrap, and then every day he used to bring different parts for the car. Like Vic said, he used to bring flares the next day, he used to bring something else the next day. He used to bring. It was a wide body, the Supra, the most TunerCult Supra, the richest man in the world, Mo. I have no idea. Dude, just gave me the mic.
First of all, I don't know what's happening here. This is not the podcast. So yeah, we have a podcast every Wednesday, by the way, folks. So TunerCult giveaway car Supra. I think it's happening right now. You could win that car. It's a wide body Supra. We wrapped it real quick. It was supposed to be quick, but we found many issues with the car that we had to fix, and we did. We changed the headlight for him. The wheels were over torqued on them. The tuner bolts were over torqued on them. We had to literally weld tools on the bolts to get them off. And then later we actually changed the wheels to something nicer as well. So really cool Supra. It's wrapped in the Inozatec Nardo Grey color. Looks good with like little green cues on it. We reviewed this car a long time ago, but the Supras are cool. The new Supras are like little toys, honestly. And I think it'll look good on Moses, honestly. But yeah, so yeah, another quick wrap done. The Supra's wild. This is the nicest kit for it. So hope you guys enjoy it.